Welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to upload a custom theme into our website so it will look more professional, and then we are going to work on the theme step by step. So let's just move back here on this Blogger dashboard, and after coming here we have to click on this theme button, and then we have to click on this backup and restore button, and after that you will find few options. As you can see, theme backup / restore. So if you want to keep your themes backup, if you already have worked on the theme, then you can simply download the theme so that if anything goes wrong, then you can actually re-upload the theme here. And as we don't have anything worked yet, so that we have to use this option, upload a theme from a file on your hard drive. So we are going to upload a theme from my computer. So let me show you the theme first. So this one, Storm Blogger template, and I'm going to attach the theme link into video resource section so that you'll be able to download this theme and you'll be able to use it as well. So let me just unzip this one, and after that you will just have to click here, and then you'll find this file, stormbloggertemplate.xml. so you have to simply just go here and then click on choose file, and after that you have to select or specify the folder where the theme is located. So here's the theme, as you can see, stormbloggertemplate.xml. so let's click on it and click on open, and then click on upload. Now uploaded successfully, and it's just working in the background, as you can see. And now if I just visit the website, here is how our website is looking like. Isn't it looking professional? Just take a look. I'm going to walk you through a little bit more. Services, and then we have got these lovely animations, portfolio, etc. here. All right, so this is how our blog site is looking like as of now, and in the next video we are going to start customizing this blog.